In this video, I will show how to install Kruti their font in Windows 11. So open it in your browser and just search Dev. So here guys, you will see in result a list of websites. You can try any website. One and they will provide you download option. So download it. After downloading, open the file explorer. As we can see, we have this font here. Right click on it. Then just click on install. Now exit and restart your system. Type this font, Microsoft Word, select Kruti, press enter. Now you can type anything what you need. Now here you can type this Hindi easily. So thanks for watching.